In Allplan 2025, the 3D preview and filtering for spatial structures is a feature designed to streamline workflows by allowing users to selectively view and focus on specific elements within complex models. This functionality is especially useful during the import of large BIM models or detailed structural data, helping users isolate and work with only the information that is relevant to their current task. Focused view of relevant elements. Users can filter and preview specific parts of a model, like particular floors, sections, or components, without displaying the entire structure. 3D preview for enhanced clarity. Optimized import workflows. By filtering spatial structures during import, users can work more efficiently, as the software processes only the selected data rather than loading the entire model. This feature in Allplan 2025 is intended to improve usability, accuracy, and efficiency. Let me know if you'd like more details on using this tool.